As you're selecting a concrete paving machine, there are a lot of things to consider that are project specific, but in general terms, there are a number of things that we would recommend that you're investigating in the manufacturer and type of equipment that you're looking at. First off is durability and dependability. A concrete slip-form paver in the field is not something that you want to have that is dependent on a manufacturer-specific technician. You want something that's going to last and be able to perform in all types of conditions without having to worry about having the machine break down in the field. Another factor you definitely want to consider when looking at different concrete paving equipment is the operation and field maintenance. HEM machines do not force you to require one heavily trained operator to operate the machine. Our machines are very intuitive, very easy to understand, and they're built with rock solid durability. In addition, HEM manufactures our equipment that use common parts, so they're very field friendly, very easy to repair. Our machines are wrench ready because we understand you can't afford to wait for the service tech to come and get the machine up and running again. Another critically important element when you're selecting your equipment is the manufacturer that stands behind that equipment. With HEM, we provide customer training and support with every piece of machinery that we put in the field. The success of your product is directly related to how well you and your team are equipped and trained. And that's why we offer hands-on customer training that happens on your job site, with your machine, and with your people. We also want to make sure that we're available for questions or help with any field issues you may have. And when you're calling us. You're not calling a distributor. So with HEM, you get full access to our manufacturing people, our training, and our customer support. We also have a full line of complementary equipment, and for HEM, that's critically important for you as you select your products. When you're looking at your project, it's not just about the concrete paver, it's also about the complementary equipment that goes with it. We manufacture a full line of products from trimmers to pavers to cure machines all the way to sawing equipment, so that you have one manufacturer as your go-to that can provide you with the full range of products for your project. Equally as important is that you're working with a manufacturer that will work with you. At HEM, we make it a point to work with you to build the machine to have the specifications and options that you need to meet your requirements, rather than forcing you to pay for a machine that has all the bells and whistles that you may not actually need. So we can sit down with you and determine exactly what you want instead of telling you what you're going to get.